Back working on this Max for Live automated transient wobble. We now have a function which works as a custom envelope tool that we can draw custom shapes. We also have this complex LFO over here, both of which I want to control this live dial, which is currently just connected to the pitch shifter on the piano. So actually I want this function, I now want this to control the live dial. So let's go ahead and try that real quick. I'm just going to bring this slider box down. We'll put it at the top here. Anywhere will really do for now. Now I'm going to connect this. I'm going to feed this into a float first, just so we kind of have a master value we can control things with. I'm going to take this away. In fact, oh no, I'm not going to delete stuff yet. I'm going to feed this into here. So it's going to be a bit weird at the start because it's happening over 5,000 milliseconds. We need to send this bang to the line as well. So you see each note, this envelope is going to be applied. So that's happening really fast, which is not good. So let's just make this 300 milliseconds and let's have a listen. Of course, we can now clear this function, and we could draw, just a real basic envelope. Let's just go line down. Just going to change the threshold value here. In fact, I'll just do it manually. Let's just go -18. We are getting a bit of delay, which is not ideal. It's something I'm going to have to figure out later. Okay. Let's... this needs to go to 64. We'll figure this out soon. Okay, so let's try it with something else. Let's... how do I draw curves? I forget. There is a way to draw curves. I've done this many times before. Maybe I need to enable it. What is it saying? How do we draw a curve? Curve. Command click on a point to toggle sustain. Shift click on a point to remove it. This is interesting. Definitely know that you can draw curves in this because I've used this quite a lot in the automaton device, but I've forgotten. I need to look into the things here. Maybe there's a attribute that I'm missing. Line thickness, mode, linear, okay. Mode, mouse mode, free. What does shift do? Oh, cool. That's interesting. But that's not what I want. Mouse mode, shift, free. Output mode, list. Okay, what was that here? Mode, linear, curve. Okay, so we need mode curve on, which is interesting. I can't seem to find where that is in here. Oh, here it is, mode curve linear. Okay, I was looking in the wrong section, so I can remove that now, because the curves are important. So let's clear it, put these in, hold down the Alt key, and now we can draw sharp curves. So we need to go and change, we need to add the parameters that we want to be able to change, some user interface objects here. So for a start, we need to specify the time. So we used this value here before. So what I'll do is I'll change this to a $1 symbol, which means, no, that's not going to work. Okay, what I'll do is I'll feed this into another message box. I'm drawing a few blanks here today, but we will get there. I think if we just use a append, and then this we can go set $1. So that should now create a new custom message box based on this value here, which of course is the value for the time. So if I just test that out, let's change this to that, and let's trigger this. No, that doesn't appear to be working either. Let's just test this as working. So we do get that value. I'm just going to use another combine object because that worked for us before. So we need to feed this into here, like so. Then we have the... No, we just need time, really. This needs to go from 0 to 100. How many increments were there? There was 1,000. Okay. Yeah, this should maybe work. Let's put this into here. Cool, and then we need this from symbol. Okay, let's have a look at that. Okay, so that generates the line that we need. So if I was to feed this into here and bang it, so that's working. And then we can change the time to something really short. Very good. Okay. Okay, let's roll with that for now. Now I want to be able to specify an amount, which is going to be an interesting experience. So at the moment, this comes out and it goes to 0. So we actually need this. I wonder if I can use a scale object. So this is going to be from 0 to 127, but I actually need it to go from 64 to 127, I think. So let's connect that up to here. And let's trigger this. Bang. Okay, so that's working for us. Make this a little bit longer. I'm just going to bring this curve up a bit. Okay, I need to have a think about this because I need to reintroduce the random element here. Yeah, I'm going to have a think about this, so I need to be able to invert this and introduce a random element. I'll have a think, and I'll see you in the next video.